What is good? Fuck, good. Everyone. Ashkeebs here. This is so scoped. Okay, new month, new me. I don't think there are any group buys that I really need running this month. I won't be buying anything. I spend way too much money the last few months. I really gotta chill out. Wait, what the fuck is that? Yeah, top mount is the best mount. Yeah, gasket mount is actually the best mount. Yeah, gummy O-ring is actually the best mount. Actually, the double gasket 5D O-ring magnetic centrifugal force divergence meter solder fume mount is actually the best mount. What do you mean that mount doesn't exist? I just thought of it. I'm writing up the IC right now. Gonna change the fucking game. Okay, so I got this new key set. Now I need to get a keyboard to match it, right? Also might as well pick some switches to match that build as well. Okay, I got this new keyboard. I should get a new keycap set to match it and some switches as well, I think. Okay, I got these new switches in. I should get a keyboard and some keycaps to do another build with these actually. Is this THOCK? No, more like marbly. No, more like poppy. No, I think more like clocky. No, thonky. Nah, this is definitely thwacky for sure. Okay, nah, I'm not buying any more resin. I have enough. I don't even have anywhere to put that shit. Oh boy, I gotta stop. Yo, I just won the new bongo raffle. Let's fucking go. Huh? I mean, I did say that I wasn't buying any resin, but retail doesn't count, okay? Full-size keyboard? Pfft. I mean, if I'm going to build a custom keyboard, why would I want to have a numpad? That's what all those membrane keyboards had. I don't even use that shit. Numpad on a keyboard is the biggest Chad move. I definitely use the numpad all the time for sure. Oh, hell yeah, I just won this first come, first serve. Fast as fuck, boy. This was my dream keyboard. This will be my end game. I definitely deserve this. I rubbed it in every kid that lost in the server. I don't need any other keyboards after this. It goes for what? It goes for how much on Mech Market? Oh baby, just got these brand spanking new switches in. These are going to be so good. Wait, what? There's another 500 more switches that just came out. What are they? Long PP stem, full nylon, omowipe, octopus, omelette du fromage, bankai no jitsu switches. God fucking damn it. I guess I gotta buy those now. Okay, who the hell are buying these clunky ass cables? My cable that I got for free does the exact same thing. What is a special cable going to even do? Make me fucking type faster? Which color would match the build actually? I think this blue one is pretty sick. Oh fuck. It's 5 a.m. My eyes are burning. I'm so fucking tired. I should go check Mech Market. You know what? I should design a key set. Let's see, most popular waifus. Got Megumin, Taken, Rem, Taken, Asuna, Sword Art Online's trash. 02 Taken, Aqua. We gotta go Hex Color Picker. Image Color Picker. Use your own image. Yeah, we can work with that. I'm gonna make so much fucking money. Every week, there's a new group buy. Every day, there's a new Switch release. Every hour, there's a new interest check. And every minute, another person watches the Tfue Key Cult video, stepping into the cursed battlefield known as the mechanical keyboard rabbit hole. I wonder how I even got here. 5 digits in debt. Dozens of metal rectangles that in the end do the same shit that any other keyboard for $5 can do. What am I even doing with my life? Spending hundreds on plastic keycaps that just look pretty on a keyboard. Maybe it's finally time for me to quit all this shit, start a new life, be free from the shackles of all this pain. Maybe it's finally time I end it all. Okay, that's enough procrastinating. I gotta loop another 500 of these switches for my builds. Oh, fuck.
うちにこもってゴロゴロゴロゴロと堕落の夜に絡みついた